We continue now at the top of Daf Tzadi Beis and Beis in Meseches Eruvin. This is Eruvin Daf 92b. The Gemara here is continuing a statement of a number of Amoraim in front of Abaya, talking about a situation where you have a Chotzer Gedola next to a Chotzer Katana. If you plant Gefanim in the larger Chotzer, so then you plant Zeroim in the smaller Chotzer, the Zeroim are Aser, but Gefanim Mutarim, again, the Gefanim themselves remain Mutter because the larger Chotzer is considered walled off. It just has a Pesach, an opening to the smaller Chotzer. It's separate. Whereas the smaller Chotzer is ruled over by the larger Chotzer, so the stuff in the smaller Chotzer is going to be a problem. And the other way around, Gefanim Bekatana, let's say you had the Gefen was planted, the vine was planted in the smaller Chotzer. In such a situation, Mutter Lizroa Es HaGadola, you would be allowed to plant in the larger Chotzer Zeroim. It would not be a problem, because again, the larger Chotzer is considered separate from the smaller Chotzer. Rashi over here says, Gefanim Bekatana Mutter Lizroa Es HaGadola Lechatchila, you could plant in the larger one Lechatchila, Delagabe Gedola Pischa. As far as the Gedola is concerned, you have a Pesach. V'chol Pesach kemechitzu, every Pesach is like a mechitza, v'afilu samach legefanim. Even if you're right next to the gefanim, mutter lezroa es hagadol lechatchila, you can plant lechatchila. Keretnan hayageter bentayim zeh somech legeter mikan, v'zeh somech legeter mikan. Ukasha yigdelu hazram. Now Rashi says when the zroim get larger, so then afagav the diura gedola bekatana, even though the residents of the larger chatzar are considered to have dominion over the smaller one, ein osram as a gefanim, they still don't answer the gefanim in the katana. Diamar b'menachos perek beis ma'isa be'echad shezara es kerem shel chaveiro. There was once a situation where one person planted in the kerem of his friend, uba ma'isa lefnei chachamim v'yasru es hazroim v'hitiru es hagefanim. The Maisa came in front of the Chachamim, and they actually said the Zeroim are problematic, but the Gefanim remain okay, which is why in this case also the Gefanim and the Katana remain okay. V'yamar ma'itaima kanvas v'lof asra Torah shar Zeroim midrabanan asiri. This is only really an Isra midrabanan, those Zeroim which were planted. Hach de lo avid surah lo kanser rabbanan. The guy who did nothing wrong, he started off beheter. The Rabbanan don't have a knas against him. Hachanami here also hola kashzaras agadola beheter zara. Since at the time of the planting it was beheter, afilu shteyim shalo, even if he owns both fields, lekal and mikna say there's no reason to give him a knas. The kol shekenim katana shalacher. Now for sure, if the katana was owned by somebody else, or gafanim shalo kidmu, and the kafanim were first in the katana, then for sure there'd be no reason to have a knas against that individual. Gemara continues along similar lines. Isha begedola veget bekatana. Let's say you have a woman standing in the larger chotzer, and the get is thrown into the smaller chotzer. Miskareshes, again, she's going to be divorced because the dominion of the larger chotzer is in the smaller one as well. Isha bekatana, the get's begedola. Let's say it was the reverse. The woman is in the smaller field and the get is in the larger chotzer. Eina miskareshes, she's not going to be divorced. Tzibor begedola, shliach tzibor bekatana. Let's say the tzibor, the congregation, is in the larger chotzer. The shliach tzibor is in the smaller one. Yotzin yedei chovasan. They can fulfill their obligation in such a case. Tzibor bekatana, but if the congregation is in the smaller chotzer, ushliach tzibor begedola, and the shliach tzibor is in the larger one, ein yotzin yedei chovasan, not going to be yotze their obligation. Rashi over here says, going on the case of the divorce, isho medes begedola v'zarak labala get l'soch katana. He throws the get into the smaller one, Ushtei and Shalah, they both belong to her. V'ikol amandamar Meseches Gittin da'adetanan hazore get lishtov hibesoch beiso v'soch hatzer harezu megureshes davka omedes l'socha ba'os hashah. There's a mandamar who says she has to be standing there at that time. Avolameino omedes l'socha ba'os hashah lo v'yafagav d'shalah. She can own it, but she's got to be standing there as well. That's why she has to be in the proper chutzner. Miskareshes he sharei komedes bekatana the kula katana basar gedola shaykh. Again, the katana follows the gedola, so in that situation, it's as if she's standing in the katana when she's in the gedola. But eina miskareshes the gedola la basar katana azla. If she's in the katana, the gedola doesn't follow the katana. Forget lo kani leisha the name of nishdi isha basar get the isha lo boy lemiknegita. Again, the get is not going to she won't be able to, so to speak, acquire the get. And certainly, obviously, the woman is not going to follow the get. The get has to follow to the woman, and so therefore, it's not going to work in this case. Yotzin the shliach tzibur the koy bekatana hacha shayach. Again, if the shliach tzibur is in the katana, he becomes shayach to the gedola. He's with the tzibur. Ein yotzin the hashalo shayach basrayu. In the reverse situation, he is not going to be shayach to them. He's in the larger one. The tzibur the kaim the katana. Now the tzibur, why don't we say that tzibur follows him, as if they're in the with him in the gedola? Lo matzino lemember the shaykhi basrei deruba basar chad lo mishtadu. You're not going to take the majority, the whole tzibur, and throw them after the shliach tzibur it's got to be the other way around. That's why, again, it only works if the tzibor is begedola and the shliach tzibor is in the katana. Tisha begedola, similarly. Tisha begedola, let's say 9 people are in the larger chutzner, v'yachid bekatana, and individuals in the smaller chutzner, mitzdarfin, they can join together to make a minyan. Tisha bekatana, but again, if you have 9 in the smaller one, v'yachid begedola, 1 in the larger one, ain't mitzdarfin, because again, the majority is not going to follow that one person. Tsoa begedola, let's say you have excrement in the larger chutzner, so asur likros kriya shema bekatana. If you're in the smaller chutzner, it's as if you're in the larger chutzner, you're with the tsoa, you can't read kriya shema in front of tsoa, it's going to be a problem. Tsoa bekatana, but if the tsoa is in the smaller chutzner, mutar likros kriya shema begedola, then you can read kriya shema in the gedola, because again, you're walled off, it's just a pesach that's connecting from the larger one to the smaller one. Amar lehu Abaya, so Abaya said to them, he heard this whole discussion from these various Amoraim who were sitting in front of him, and he said as follows, Im kain, if so, matzinu mechitza le'isr. It's going to come out that we have a mechitza le'isr, shel mole ein mechitza, marchik dalet amos v'zoreya. Because if there wasn't a mechitza, then he would have had to distance himself 4 amos and plant, v'ilu hashta asura. And now suddenly in this situation, it's going to be asur. Rashi over here explains, Shel malein mechitza, ilav hanach kifufe sha'odfin begedola. Let's say you didn't have these walls on the sides from the perspective of the larger chutzner. You didn't have these barriers. Hayu hagedola v'aktana shavos. So then, meaning, let's say they were equal. Let's say the gedol and the katana were the same size. Havlu kechatzer achas. It would be like one chatzer in such a situation, obviously. If you would have a situation of 2 chatzers right next to each other, but a completely open wall between them, it's basically like one chatzer. Umuter lizroa shamim agafanim, and you could plant there. Umarchik dalet amos, and you'd have a distance of 4 amos. Hashta misham hanach kifufe. Now, because you're saying that from the perspective of the gedola, you suddenly have walls. Shadina lakula katana basar gedola umitzra kula. So now the entire katana becomes suddenly asur. The katana becomes like the gedola, and you can have more of a prohibition. A distance of 4 amos is not going to be good. Matzinu mechitza shoseres. Now all of a sudden the mechitza is creating a problem. Again, in other words, these here are the gifufe, these are the walls on the side. If these walls were not here, if you eliminated these walls, and you just had basically one chutzner, then you would distance yourself 4 amos and be able to plant the gefanim and the zroim could be 4 amos away from each other. Now, all of a sudden, we're saying that if you have gefanim in the large chutzner when you have the gifufe, and the katana follows the large chutzner, so if you have gefanim here, suddenly you can't plant anything in the katana, even at a distance of 4 amos. So that's the question that Abaya had. So now Rabbi Zeir responds to Abaya. Amar le Rabbi Zeir le Abaya. Rabbi Zeir says to Abaya, V'lo matzinu mechitza le'isr. Do we not find a mechitza that can create a prohibition? V'atzanan, we learned in our Mishnah, Chatzer gedola shenifritza lekatana gedola muteres uktana asur. If you have a large chatzer that opens into a small chatzer, again, as we said, the larger chatzer is mutter, the smaller chatzer is asur. Mipnei shi kepitzcha shel gedola, because it's like it has an opening from the gedola, from the perspective of the gedola, you have an opening into the katana, but not vice versa. V'ilu hishves gifufeh, but now if you would build more walls to eliminate the gifufim, in other words, you would build this wall over here, and you would build this wall over here, so the 2 chatzeros would open right into each other with no walls, even from the perspective of the outer chatzer, gedola nami asura. The building of those walls would cause the larger one to be asur. So you see that building walls could create an isur. So that's not such a difficulty. So Amar Le, so Abai responded to Rabbi Zeir, Hasam siluk mechitzasu. There, where you're building walls, you're actually removing walls at the same time. Siluk mechitzasu achronos, silku es harishonos. These walls here remove these walls over here. Avalgabe zriya asar odef hagifufin al hakatana mishum yisr mechitza. But in this particular case, the fact that you have extra mechitzas, let's say you had a chatzer katana and a chatzer gedola, the fact that this exists suddenly makes the chatzer katana asr. And if this didn't exist at all, then you could just distance 4 amos. That's already a situation where you're not removing mechitzas, you're adding mechitzas, and it's causing an isr. So Amar le Rava li Abai. So Rava said to Abai, "V'lo matzinu mechitza le'isr." Do we not find a mechitza that creates a prohibition? V'yitzmar, but it was learned, and we'll continue with this discussion in the next video on Daf Tzadi Gimel Amud Aleph.